everyone, I'm Anshika Verma. Welcome back to Expo Media. Today we are at Gifts World Expo 2025. This expo is about the gifting sector. This is happening from 24 to 26 July and the timings will be 10 to 6. You can come by the metro. The nearest metro station is Supreme Court. You can come by your own vehicle as well. The parking facilities are available near gate number 5. Let's go inside and see what brands are showcasing today, what the launches they have made. Hello sir,
Namaskar.
may I know your name
Myself CP Sharma.
and what is your brand all about?
I just want to inform you this is Handloom Handicraft Exporters Welfare Association. This is all India Pan and Association in which we have more than 3,800 exporters and manufacturing members all around India, and we have different clusters like in UP we have Saharanpur, Muradabad, Noida, Ghaziabad, we can say Bhadoi, Banaras, and different.
And what product you guys are showcasing?
These all the products we are displaying here is handicraft, handloom, textile, home textile, and made-up items.
Can you please show us?
These are all the gift product. We are making all these textile product in the gift shape. Like this is the kit. This is a complete kit we are doing in the digital printing. This is all exclusive. We are doing all the updation, whatever is required in these days. This is the digital printing and canvas is the fabrics used for the kits, different kits. And we are selling these products in gift shape because this is the gift fair. So we are presenting everything in a gift shape.
And what about these?
These are the wax because festival days are coming. So we are showing everything with the different candles. This is with the perfumes and with the different flavors we are showing here with the glass because Firozabad is also our member. We are displaying here around more than 100 manufacturing company who cannot pay the money for the stalls. So we are representing them because we can support them. As per our Prime Minister vision that economy of the India should be triple till 2030. So it is not responsibility of our government only. It is the responsibility of all the entrepreneur, all the industries and associations also. As an association, we understand our responsibility and we are doing our best efforts to empower women and startup and the micro units.
And what about these? These are also handmade?
These are also the napkin in different quality. It's a pure cotton. We are doing in the, this is like the Juicy apron, gloves and pot holder. It's a kitchen textile. It's called kitchen textile. Juicy is the brand. Juicy is the woman, lady, our woman entrepreneur from Uttarakhand who are promoting these products. So our purpose is to promote her. This is the pure cotton. Our company, one member is Pallavi International, who are making these wonderful products in Noida and Uttarakhand. They are doing the manufacturing and all the designer teams are helping these micro units to give them the latest quality and all the social compliance we need to follow. So we are updating that all the things to them.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, so I'll take you forward where CP Sharma sir left you guys, and here we have a different range of products with us. So we've displayed a lot of variety of products under our umbrella Shilpkar, like he mentioned to you earlier. So we do a variety of products in here. You've already seen linens there. Now I'll show you all the hard goods and all the designer pieces that we have. So for example, there you go. I'll show you a flower bouquet which is made out of soy wax and it's a candle. So it's a flower bouquet. Then we also do flower soy wax cones, so which is very unique and is used as a very nice gifting premium product for wedding gifting. Then we also do a lot of cocoa candles which has a base of coconut in it, and then we have scented nice home ingredients fragrances added to this. Also these products are very premium. You can find all this under one umbrella which is Shilpkar. So we have a lot of brands and manufacturers under the same roof which curate together to give you a variety of, I would say, designer items and products.
And do you manufacture your own products?
Yes, we are all manufacturers. Everything is done in-house. So you can also get an option of customizing them. You can also get an option of adding your own fragrances to these beautiful candles that I just showed you. And we also do these boxes that are wooden boxes but have bone inlay done on them, and these are the kind of designs we have. So you can have a look at these. That's about it, and we would want you to definitely come and visit us on our stall.
What is the website if anyone wants to buy these products?
So you can write to us at info@shilpkar.com, and you can visit us. You can write to us there and we can share our catalogs with you. And once our website is up and going, you can definitely see our products there.
Thank you so much for telling us about your brand.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
May I know your name?
My name is Nachi. I'm the co-founder of a brand called Foriska.
What is your brand all about?
So we are a wellness brand and we make luxury skincare and personal hygiene products.
Can you please show us the product?
Sure. So we have a range of individual items and gift sets curated here. And if you want, I can just talk to you a little bit about the products also as we go. Right here we have all curated gift sets, and we do customization, corporate gifting, wedding centric, so all of those things we do. But essentially, if I were to show you a little bit of the products, instead of categorizing our products under body parts like most cosmetic brands would do, we have created these concepts and rituals like awaken, illuminate, indulge, and unwind. And the idea is of mindfully using all of these skincare products. Just like when you mindfully consume food, it really goes to your body and nourishes your soul. So that same concept we have applied here, and it's all about the vibe and getting all your five senses together while using a product. So we have created a music playlist for every product. There's a suggested atmosphere for everything, and there's a way to use it. And all that marketing material comes together with the products.
Any
So-
more product that you're thinking to launch?
So we are actually we have been into the hotel space so far. We supply to luxury hotels, and this is the first time we are coming in, venturing into the retail space and through this gift expo. So it's very early to say what will happen. It's a very new industry or space so to us, but we've mostly been in the B2B space so far.
Since how many years you guys are exhibiting here?
At the gift expo, we're doing it for the first time, but we have been in this business for 6 years.
How's the response you're getting?
It's good, it's interesting, it's the first time we're doing it, so let's see how it translates into sales later on, but the interaction that we've had with customers so far is very promising.
What is your website if anyone wants to contact you?
Sure, that's foriska.com, www.foriska.com.
The website is going to be given in the description box. Do check it out. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.
Hello, sir.
हेलो मैम,
क्या आप लोग के नाम जान सकती हूँ मैं?
माई सेल्फ इज मुनेश कुमार भाटी।
माई सेल्फ इज संदीप उपाध्याय।
एंड आज आप यहाँ पे क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट शोकेस कर रहे हैं?
मैम अपना यहाँ हमारे पास में कैपेसिटर है, एसी कंडेंसर है, 2 प्रोडक्ट हैं अपने इधर।
और आप और क्या शोकेस कर रहे हैं, हमें दिखा सकते हैं?
मैम अभी करंट में तो ये 2 ही आइटम है अपने पास।
सेकंड आइटम दिखा दीजिए।
सेकंड आइटम इधर है मैम, ये एसी कंडेंसर है, ये नॉर्मल वाला है, ये कोटेड है। और इसमें अपने पास सारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट अपनी है, तो इसमें सारे आइटम्स अपने पास सारे साइजेस वो अवेलेबल होते हैं।
और कोई प्रोडक्ट आप लेकर आने का सोच रहे हो?
क्यों में तो बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन आपको डिटेल्स तो अभी नहीं प्रोवाइड कर पाएंगे अपन लोग।
एंड आप लोग कितने टाइम से एग्जिबिट कर रहे हैं?
मैम हैं तकरीबन 7 से 8 साल हो गए।
कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है आपको इस बार?
हाँ बेटर है।
एंड आपकी आपकी वेबसाइट क्या है?
kannuinternational.com।
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।
हेलो सर,
हेलो,
क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ?
मेरा नाम साहिल यादव है। मैं एलिसन स्मार्ट होम से हूँ और वी आर दी स्मार्ट होम टच स्विचेस मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एंड लेट मी शो यू आवर प्रोडक्ट्स। Basically, these are touch panels. These are full glass touch panels. We will design and customize totally based on the client's requirement. We have multiple color options in our touch panels, and similarly, we have our retrofits. These are those products which you can install your normal TikTok switches behind your TikTok switches. You can easily install and make them smart. And similarly, we have multiple motion sensors. We will create motion sensors in house, and we have our hidden sensors you can place behind your switchboard, and easily you can operate your lights, fans on your sensors. And we have our staircase sensors. You can easily install on your normal stairs, and you can make them smart. So similarly, we are into motorized curtain and blinds also. These are totally curtain blinds. These are our tubular motors which we have used in blinds. So basically, these are blinds. These are motorized blinds. You can customize your blinds on your designs, and you can share any images. We can make it possible. So we have this. This is a manual roller blind. This comes with sweet leather fabric. We have triple shade blinds also. This is our zebra blind, Shangri-La blinds. It comes with triple shades. So hello friends, this is our very premium product. This is smart switchable glass film. You can easily paste on your existing glass, new glasses, glass partitions, door partitions, any. It results like this.
और कोई प्रोडक्ट आप लेकर आने का सोच रहे हो?
सो बेसिकली अभी हम लोग काफ़ी चीज़ें और डेवलप कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम लोग कंप्लीट आपको डिमिंग ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे, आपको लाइट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, आपको मल्टी कलर लाइट्स, RGB लाइट्स, स्विप लाइट्स, मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस इन लाइटिंग इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो। तो वो सारी चीज़ें आपको ऑन अ सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म जो हमारी एलिसन होम ऑटोमेशन एप्लीकेशन है, उसी पे आप ऑपरेट कर पाएंगे।
एंड कितने टाइम से आप यहाँ एग्जिबिट कर रहे हो?
हम लोग एग्जिबिट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे काफ़ी टाइम से।
एंड कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है आपको इस बार?
काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस है इस बार मार्केट में। B2B क्लाइंट्स भी हैं, आपको डायरेक्ट कस्टमर्स भी हैं, हम लोगों की इंक्वायरीज हुई हैं। तो हम लोगों ने भी ट्राई किया है कि जो कस्टमर हमारे पास आया उसको हमने बहुत सारा बेनिफिट और बहुत सारी नॉलेज शेयरिंग की है।
एंड आपकी वेबसाइट क्या है, अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बाय करना चाहे तो?
तो हमारी वेबसाइट है, आप जा सकते हैं www.ellison.co.in and www.ellison.io। Hello everyone. So this is our home automation application. It comes in the name of Ellison Home Automation. Let's see. So this is our home page. इसमें आप जितने भी आपके फेवरेट सीन्स हैं, you can create favorite scenes. जो आपके favorite switches है, you can add and make it on your home pages. Similarly, remote के जितने shortcuts. Coming to the devices section, you can see your rooms are here. So let's entering in the room. You can see the switches, your all switches. Let's see. You can see the functioning is happening there only. You can check. In the fan, it will. You can control your speeds according your mood, according your environment. And similarly, you can add. You can create your scenes, routines, workflows, or you can add your all remotes, your appliances remotes. So these are our application. So this is our manual touch switch. You can see one feature I can show you is this मैं आपको एक फीचर बेस्ट फीचर बताता हूँ अपने स्विचेस का, कि अगर आपको कोई भी मैनुअल जो आपका स्विच है, आपको जो ऑन ऑफ हो रहा है, उसकी अगर कलर लाइटिंग भी आपको चेंज करनी है, so you can directly change from your application. You can come to the additional setting of the touch plate. You can control the brightness, seconds, brightness, color on off selections. Like you want to okay, green color is on, your pink color is off. So you can just check here, your color will be changing. And ऑन ऑफ सेक्शन. When you are doing your off, it will comes with the pink color. जब हमने ऑन किया तो ये ग्रीन कलर में है. सो आपको अपने इंटीरियर के अकॉर्डिंग अगर लाइटिंग भी चेंज करानी है अपने पैनल की, तो यू कैन ईजिली control your lighting also from our application. So this feature is called Empirio Touch. We will provide you Empirio Touch.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.